Hello guys, in this tutorial I want to show how insert plugin themes or other things in WordPress in localhost, because it's really different than hosting and domain. So first, before my tutorial start, I want to show the problem of Bitnami. It's not problem of that application, it's problem of WAMP server. I using WAMP server for PHP and Node.js. I need localhost, not for CMS but for programming languages. So I used it, I closed it, but I get this problem. I'm just going to the localhost, access WordPress, and page not found. Why? Because two of them are localhost and two of them using Apache server, and two of them Apache server is same port 80. So manage service here, MySQL database. So let me say how I get it. You just go to the Bitnami WordPress stack and Bitnami WordPress stack manager. So you go to the manage service and we have two red icons here. You just click start all, and that's all. Let it get green color, and that's all. You just close it and go to the localhost, access WordPress, and here we are in our theme, our website. So go to the dashboard, here I have already downloaded some plugins. Let me show another thing. For example, let me go add new. And here we have unexpected error occurred, of course, because it's localhost. So you just click on this button, upload plugin, and insert plugin manual. How? You just go into WordPress.org like this, go to the plugins, and here we have plenty of plugins. Let me look at what kind of plugins. Envato Elements. I have Envato Elements plugin, so I have downloaded. You just can type here Envato Elements. Here we have this plugin. I have already downloaded, so I can make it like this. I just drag it, go to the Chrome, go to the add plugins, take this, go to that and copy it. That's all. Here we have Envato Elements zip. Install now. Or you can make it like this manually by choosing the file. So it's not downloaded, so let me find. It's downloaded. Activate plugin. Other things also like this, because this is localhost and you have to download things manually. It's disgusting, but you have to make it to make a practice. So here we have Envato Elements deactivate. We already have it here. Easy. So in next tutorial I want to show how make just one section of one page in Elementor. To make it easy for you, it's really easy to make a site and you don't need to have any problem with this. Thanks, hope you love my videos, subscribe and put likes.